open the door. It's hard to bring the groceries without the plastic bag. 10 apples, 2 bags of grapes. So my husband eats every day. Carrots, sweet potatoes. Chop the vegetables. Grilled chicken. Looks like we need another meal prep. Celeries. So this is, I really like that. In my grocery store, they say naturally imperfect products altogether. That's about 2.5 pounds in a bag and give us a good price, like 6 bags per week we eat. And there's a beans for my carbs, and there's some steak left over. We just finished salmon, kabocha squash over there, the strawberries, and this is wild rice, brown rice, 2 packs of Icelandic yogurt, and this is my tart cherry juice for my inflammation and sleep better. Cream. On my repeat day, I use some of those for whipping cream. There's cheesecake left over for my children made, and 3 dozen of eggs, light cream cheese, coffee concentrate, and there's a sour cream, sparkling water, sparkling wine for whipping day. And I do take omega-3 with the vitamin D. Extra hot sauce, and there's a gochujang behind. Mayo made with olive oil, and there's a mustard and another yellow mustard. I keep my nuts in the fridge, and there are some cheese. You may eat, you may not eat. My guinea pigs loves lettuce, so I buy 3 per week. And carrots, I use a lot of garlic, so I always keep them a lot. Lime for margarita. There's zucchini, onions, kabocha squash. I like to buy 2 at a time. And cabbage, brown pears, oranges, grapefruit. I think it's fun to see other people, so what other people eat and how they store the fridge. That was a good question. Thank you.